Good morning, Emma. So we probably look just slightly tired because we probably slept like not even an hour. But we arrived to Madrid and now we're waiting for our Airbnb. Guys, at Tim Hortons, am I seeing this right? Bro, this is so funny. Well, good morning. This is our first official morning here in Madrid. Yeah. So today we're gonna go on a picnic to a park. Before that, we were supposed to check out Plaza España, but unfortunately it's under construction. Yeah. So next time, but we're gonna head out to the Temple of Debod. Amelia was just telling us some history about it, so we're gonna go check it out. It's surrounded by a lot of water. It came from Egypt. It's like a thank you gift.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Why is there no water in it? What the heck?
Water dried out.
There's no water in it. Are you kidding me?
We're going in. We are at the Buen Retiro Park. It's really nice here. It's so hot. I think this is like the main square, I guess you can say, here at the park. It's so nice today. It is so hot. We're gonna have a picnic. That's why we came here. People on boats, you can rent some boats here, but you can't swim, so the only downside. Wow, I like. We found a spot after looking for like many spots. We finally found one in the shade.
The other ones are nicer.
Y'all know it's real when we got the salamis.
Guys, I want to take a picture of all our food. Come on.
There it is, ladies and gentlemen. The Crystal Palace. Oh, there's a swan. It's a black swan.
Is it?
Right there.
I thought it was a purple one.
I don't need your commentary. There's so many sculptures here. You can take pretty photos by the windows. Wow.
You have low battery.
Oh wow. Look guys, we came to the Palacio de Cibeles. They have the Pride flag because Pride is going to be this week, but it's so pretty and gorgeous. Yeah. And this hamburguesa. Look guys, look how happy she is.
There's an egg on it.
Guacamole, holy.
Oh, bro, these fries are so good.
Steph's got some chicken fingers. They're really big.
Yeah, what is that, man?
Chicken, some protein.
Grilled chicken and salad.
Oh.
I don't know if I could, but I'm hungry. I'll make this in 1 second. Oh, yeah. What?
You want to come in this hole? Against the gate? You want to come in this hole? You want to see the regiment? Okay guys, it's basically like the Chipotle of Madrid, I guess. It's called Taco Away. So we got. It's not called Taco. Oh, it is Taco Away. It is Taco Away. And Amelia got herself a nice bowl.
Who's ready for churros?
Look at that. Oh my god. And a good cappuccino to go with the churro chocolate.
Hey guys! It's so quiet up here.
Hey guys, so the 7th floor of the club, the lounge is outdoors. That's the outdoors. Everybody's chilling, having drinks. There's no music here though. You gotta go down all the other floors. Look how busy it is.
Where are we gonna go?
Inside, and we're gonna check out the kitchen. I'm really excited for that. We walked to Mercado de San Miguel. It's like right in the center. We are gonna go for lunch.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's not too busy.
They say it's very busy in there, so we'll see.
We got the meat.
Salami. And a cone. I think it's sausage. I don't know what that one is, but it looks crispy.
It's like spicy salamis.
Yeah. Is it $150 for one?
Croquettes. Guys, the best thing here. Good. See the worm. Okay, guys, I don't know if I could yet.
No.
Just Amelia, do it for the vlog and we'll run. Wait, do it again. Steph, do it. Go.
Not here. Oh my god. He's not here.
Prank war champion.
Never say that again.
So apparently you gotta pay for that, guys. So be careful, but we did it.
Just falling about Emma.
Oh my god, guys, I just found a wild Emma Capalmo in the streets of Madrid.
We bought a plastic water bottle at the dollar store to spray
Best purchase
ourselves
I've ever made.
because we saw some kids doing it, but now they keep fighting and splashing each other.
Okay guys, we went to a ramen restaurant and I got some chicken and rice.
Whoa, look at this pork. Wow. Sounds like some good ramen.
So good. I have my Infierno extra hot.
I have my chicken.
And Emma has
Chicken.
cheese. Oh guys, look how good. Oh my gosh.
Eso que tú sabes.